Hello everyone, I am Akshay Singh and I am with my new video. In this video, I will make the interesting maze game using Android. So let's start. First, we have to delete the Toby sprite, and then we have to add the Beetle sprite from here. And we have to choose backdrop also. So choose the backdrop maze, this. After choosing the backdrop and sprite, we can start the coding. So let's start. First we have to take when green flag clicked, then mistakenly I done the coding in the backdrop. So let's when green flag clicked, then point in direction to 0. Then we can see that the beetle is not fitting between the lines, so we have to smaller the size of the beetle. No, this is not where is this size? There. Yeah. We have to set the size to 60. Then we have to go to X. I will take X minus 40 degree and my Y minus 50 degree. Okay. See, it is something. Yeah, it is good. So then we have to move the beetle also from these arrows of up, down and left, right. So for that I need one space, no, up arrow. When up arrow keep pressed, the beetle face should be at front, and for that I have to take the point direction 0 and move 10 steps. And we have to duplicate this 3 times. 1, 2, 3. This is done, and this is up down arrow. Pointing direction should be back 180 degree. Right arrow point of direction should be 90 degree. 1 minute. And left arrow point of direction should be minus 90. So then let's check how our beetle is doing. Yeah, correct. And if we have to make this game more interesting and harder, so we can do that. If the beetle will touch the black line, we will get out, and if it will touch the red color of the apple, we will win. So for that I have to take the first penguin clip, then forever blocks, and in the forever blocks, if then we will take start touching color black. No, light to 1. One. Yes. Then I have to take one more if then block for the red color also. So if it will touch the red color, the game will stop and you will win. And you have also choice that if you want to take it or not. This, if it will touch the red color, so it will say, yeah, I did it. And then one minute, it is not scrolling. Why it is not scrolling down? Yeah, scrolled. And then it will stop all. So let's check the game. Yeah, it is going good. So let's play. Very carefully we have to play this game. Yeah, I have won the game. So we have made a interesting, amazing maze game. So that's all for today. Please, if you like my video, so share, comment, and please subscribe our channel Fun with AI. Thank you. Bye bye.